Hi guys, I'm Durwin Cheung, your night agent, and today it's a beautiful summer Sunday, and we're preparing for an open house. We've got a couple more hours to go. We're not quite there yet, but there's a lot of prep work. And this is property we're going to be holding open. It's listed at $1,499,000. It's a gorgeous property. You'll have to see it. Continue watching. With that said, let's go.
Can you hear me okay? We're in the car.
So am I. I can hear you though.
Okay. Are you on your way over?
I am.
Okay, good, because we've already had 3 people knocking at the door. They think it's at 1.
I don't know why. We have it clearly
I don't know
listed.
either. So anyway, we went ahead and threw the cats in the car and we're boogied out.
Okay. You all out? Both of you guys?
The door is locked, but you said you have a key.
I do.
Okay, the lights are all on.
Okay.
If you need anything, just call me.
Will do. Sounds great.
You have my cell number?
I do.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, well,
Good luck.
good luck, I guess.
Thank you. Thank you. I'll let you know how it goes, okay?
All right. All right,
you.
thanks, Durwin.
Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. Today we're going to 552 Northern Avenue in Mill Valley. This is one of our hot new listings. We're getting tons and tons of calls on this. Actually, more calls than I've gotten in a long time for any listing. Yeah, as soon as I put on the market Thursday, right that, I think 10 minutes after, I started getting calls, text messages, emails about that listing. Crazy. Of course, it's a beautiful house. Wait till you see it. I mean, you've seen pictures of it, but it's amazing. Definitely looks better in person. I think I priced it aggressively so we can get more interest and more people to come through.
Good.
But the house itself is amazing. I think I'm very certain it's gonna sell above asking. How much above? Now that's going to depend on what the market dictates, right?
Good.
So we're never going to know exactly what the price will be because we don't know what other buyers are going to offer. I can have a hunch, but I wouldn't be surprised if it went $100,000 above asking. I think there's going to be multiple offers. So anytime you have more than a few interested parties, it's going to create some sort of, like you said, bidding, upbidding, or auction-like situation. All cash offer. I think there's a good 30% chance it's going to be all cash.
Fair enough.
The last 2 listings which I sold, Teresita, that one was a non-contingent, no loan offer. They're getting some sort of financing, but it's like non-contingent, not your conventional loan. I think the buyer is a Google head. We like to call them techies, right? That's the holy grail of the buyers in San Francisco. We get a lot of tech people, and he worked for Google, or he's still working for Google, and he was able to purchase it with his stocks and such. So, one point, by the time this video comes out, we should be fine, but we're not supposed to disclose the price. It's pending. It was asking for 1,599, but it went for 165. So, when this video comes out, you guys will know. So we're expecting a lot of people today. Again, it's an amazing piece of property on a beautiful lot, a third of an acre, and rare enough, it's on a quite flat, land. It's not sloping up, maybe just a little bit, but it's very rare to find a piece of land in Mill Valley where it's completely flat. But this one is very close, which is pretty exciting. I think that people like that there's a lot of potential for expansion. And just the way the owners took care of it, it's amazing. It's impeccable. Depending on where you're gonna leave San Francisco, if you're leaving from the marina, it's a quick shot, 15 minutes, and you're there. Past the bridge, and you're in Mill Valley, which almost feels like an extension of San Francisco, or vice versa. I think that's one of the reasons why people love the marina if they're coming from Mill Valley, and because it's just so easy, just cross the bridge. But it's almost a completely different environment because the city is a city, right? It's very busy. But Mill Valley, it's, as you can see, it's much more residential, it's much more suburban. When we're ready, that's the last sign that goes on or goes out. So we're gonna put one usually right at the end at an intersection. We'll have one right here. Okay, here I'll put it. We're gonna most likely see a lot of cars come by and see it. Hey Frank! Frank!
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Putting out the sign.
Yeah, I just put one up on the one.
Okay, cool.
Do we have any this way?
You're on camera.
All right, what's up?
What's up? This is our team member Carter.
How we doing?
Good.
We're out here in Mill Valley today.
Yeah, we'll do some open houses, right?
That's right.
All right, pick up some buyers and sell the house.
That's right, man. We'll see you there.
All right, see ya.
Cheers.
Today was, wow, it was a busy day, but a super successful open house overall, I think. No doubt about it. We had, I want to say 50 plus groups through for an open house that is just unheard of, I think. The last time I had something so active was probably, I don't know, maybe a year or 2 years ago. So this was really a great, successful open house. A lot of good feedback. Everyone seemed to like the house, and we should be getting a lot of disclosure requests, I think, and offers when we do have an offer date lined up, probably next Tuesday, not this coming Tuesday, but the following Tuesday. So I'm expecting some very attractive offers. Maybe even all cash offers and non-contingent offers. That's the dream, right? Sellers want that, and we want to make our sellers happy. Overall, yep, everything went very well. No crazy incidents or, you know, nothing that we weren't able to control. Just overall very good. That would be a great number to have. We're at 1,500,000. I mean, a 2 million mark would be, I want to say, a little tough. To be quite honest, I think maybe 100, 200,000 above asking is definitely doable. I can see that, but who knows? Hey, I think there's a good chance the seller might throw in the car. Well, he has 2 Jags, right? Yep. He's keeping one of them, and the other one, yeah, that's up for grabs. The wine, yes.
700 bottles.
700 bottles. Actually, there's more than 700 bottles. 700 bottles were already there, but there were cases. There were a few cases that weren't even open yet, right?
Yeah.
So,
who knows, right?
who knows, right?
It's gonna be a very interesting case.
Yes. I'm excited. I'm happy for my sellers. You know, I'll be happier when we get the offer. that they want. So it all depends what happens within the next week or so. I think I'll be hearing from a lot of my clients, a lot of brokers that showed the house today, or buyers that came through today, and we're probably having a conversation with the broker now. So I might hear from them. So that's exciting. And overall, I wish all the open houses were like this.